Yo, what up guys? Welcome back. I'm Jamie, here with Shine Guys. We're about to do a headlight restoration. Let's go. All right, first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some black guide coat. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put this, I'm gonna use it just so I can see this a lot more. Anything that's coming out once I start sanding. I just wanna get everything even. So that's all I'm using this for. Grab some sanding paper. I'm gonna grab some 800 grit sandpaper, just some soap and water. I'm gonna slightly mist it, nothing, not a lot, just lubrication, and I'm just gonna sand all around it. Probably a good idea if you don't do this all the time, is to tape it all off. So just lighter, you're not wailing on it, you're just kind of just guiding over, letting your sandpaper do all the work. If you can look at it and see my guide coat, can you see that? There's little like fish eyes in there.
Yeah, no.
So that's why I'm using that guide coat. I'm using the guide coat so I can eliminate all that. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and tape it up. At least this lower part, because I'm gonna have to get really into there.
Do you know typically what causes headlight fog?
It's just the clear coat, the UV protection on the lights. It just breaks down, the UV clear that's in there.
So is there anything that you'd recommend people do on a brand new car to help prevent this?
Yeah, I'd probably recommend clear brine them. Use ceramic coating or something like that. So you can kind of see there's still that line. There's just still a whole line. I want that all this gone. All right, so now that I got this whole thing sanded down with my 800, I'm gonna switch to 2000. And then we'll go to 2000 and then we'll switch to 3000. These nice little sanding blocks are really good. I think they're KXK Dynamics. Okay, same thing. Light mist of water, soap, whatever you're using. Aggressive, but not too aggressive. All right, now 2000 the whole thing. Now I'm gonna switch to my 3000 trisac 3M sandpaper. Same concept. I typically like to start from the bottom going up. All right, good, 3000 step, boom, done. So now I'm getting my Lake Country wool, Dewalt Rotary, and I'm just gonna polish out those 3000 grit sand marks. You shouldn't have to go really hard. Always clean your pads. So now I got M100. I'm just gonna put some compound on there, and I'm just gonna massage all those scratches out. I'm gonna start with the lower PSI. Another thing too, when you're using a lot of the Meguiar's 100, 105, you always want to use water to keep that dust down, keep your compound working longer. So now after I did that, you see that's pretty glass. And I'm gonna get some more soap, degreaser. I'm just gonna wipe off. I'm gonna wipe it real quick to take off all the waxes that are in there. See if I have any sand scratches I gotta get out, and which I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand. I'm gonna polish more right in these areas. I'm not gonna put any more compound on there. I'm just gonna re-dust my pad. All right, cool. So I'm gonna take off all my tape. There you go. Little quick headlight restoration. The light wasn't crazy bad, but damn.
Let's look at this other one over here, because that one hasn't been done. Just kind of like a comparison. That's what it looked like before.
Okay, and the next step what you want to do is to finish this off was either put a polish like a paint sealant on it, or maybe a ceramic coating, a good, we use OP, so we'll put some owner's pride on there, and that'll help it seal it in there really good. Or the next step, I'll probably be doing a video of actually a clear coating one. Is typically what we do here. We don't really do buff. We do complete reconditioning them. But anyways, guys, we're out here, we're working. I'm Jamie, Shine Guys. Hit us up, Salt Lake City. Pow, 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 pow. Get your headlights fixed. It's dangerous.